Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you stop your Discord from opening in the startup of your computer. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to stop that, you just simply have to open your Discord application. And after opening the Discord application, you will get to see this little gear option at the bottom. Just simply tap to that option and then you will get to see a whole bunch of settings into here. If you scroll down a bit into this page, you will get to see this app settings page. Into here, you will get this option of Windows settings. Tap into Windows settings and then you will get this open Discord at very first, which says save yourself a few clicks and let Discord greet you on your computer startup. It means whenever you start your computer, Discord will automatically open its application. Now, if you want to disable it, just simply disable this toggle and it's done. This way you can very easily disable your Discord is opening automatically in the startup. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.